Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to send a message to our saved group in Samsung S22. So we have groups in our contacts. So we open contacts, these three lines right here, and here are our groups. We have a home group with 3 people in it and work group with 2 people in it. To send a group message, we simply can access this menu from here, send a message, and at the top, as you can see, we have 3 names, and we can send message to all 3 of them at once. We can also add our people in here. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next video.